Freelance writing is an exciting and flexible career path that offers numerous opportunities for those with a passion for writing. Whether you're considering delving into freelance writing or seeking to expand your knowledge, here are 10 facts you may be missing out on. 1. Definition. Freelance writing involves working as an independent writer, offering your writing services to clients on a project-by-project basis. You're not bound to a specific employer and have the freedom to choose your clients, topics, and working hours. 2. Diverse writing opportunities. Freelance writers can explore a wide range of writing genres and niches. From journalism and content writing to copywriting and technical writing, there's a vast array of options available to suit your interests and expertise. 3. Flexibility and autonomy. Freelancing provides the freedom to set your own schedule, work from anywhere, and choose the projects you want to undertake. You have the autonomy to shape your career according to your preferences and goals. 4. Building a portfolio. As a freelance writer, each project contributes to your portfolio, showcasing your versatility, skills, and expertise. A strong portfolio becomes a powerful marketing tool to attract new clients and establish your reputation in the industry. 5. Client relationships. Freelancers often build long-term relationships with clients who require ongoing content or writing services. Cultivating positive client relationships is crucial for securing repeat business and referrals. 6. Pricing and negotiation. Determining your rates as a freelance writer can be a challenge. Factors like experience, expertise, project complexity, and word count play a role in setting your prices. Negotiation skills become essential when discussing rates with clients. 7. Marketing and self-promotion. Freelance writers need to actively market themselves to attract clients. Utilize platforms like personal websites, social media, and professional networks to showcase your skills and reach potential clients. 8. Time management and discipline. Freelancing requires self-discipline and effective time management. Balancing multiple projects, meeting deadlines, and maintaining productivity are vital skills for success. 9. Financial considerations. Freelance writers need to manage their finances effectively. Irregular income, taxes, and budgeting are factors to consider when venturing into freelance writing. 10. Continuous learning. The world of writing is ever-evolving, and freelance writers must stay updated with industry trends, writing techniques, and emerging technologies. Continuous learning through workshops, courses, and self-study ensures you stay competitive in the field. In short, freelance writing offers a dynamic and fulfilling career path for those who are passionate about writing. From the freedom and flexibility to the challenges and rewards, these 10 facts shed light on the intricacies of the freelance writing world. Embrace the opportunities, hone your skills, and embark on a journey of creativity and self-discovery as a freelance writer.